friends, Sam Basu here, DevRel for Una Platform. Now, Una Platform is the most flexible and mature open source stack for you to build modern .NET cross-platform apps. From a single shared code base, you can build apps that run on iOS and Android for mobile, web browser through WebAssembly, and desktop and embedded devices with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Now, if you have been following our releases, we say that Una Platform now brings all of the productivity, but with AI. What does that mean exactly? So let's start with our website here. So right up front, we say build cross-platform .NET apps visually and with AI. So let's break it down a little bit. We talk about agentic development powered by Una Platform. What do all of these things mean? So let's hit the get started option here. And this is essentially me trying to get past the hype and show you what does this actually mean for developers to build apps with Una Platform and AI. A few things here. So this is our docs, and we spend a lot of energy trying to make sure the docs are solid for you to get started. So there's a lot of help here setup-wise. You can choose any OS and any ID, any AI agent of your choice, and there are nice setup guides. I'll make more videos to walk you through, but let's get to the AI part here. So first thing is, let's talk about MCPs. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. This is essentially a standardized language, and all of the big tech, Microsoft, Google, Anthropic, they're all working together to have this standard so AI agents can talk to each other, and they have tools that bring in contextual knowledge for whatever it is that you're doing. So we have built up some amazing MCP tools here for you. A couple of things in here. First thing is we call this the remote MCP or docs MCP or Una Platform MCP. That's kind of what we mean. What it does is it has prompts and all of the latest documentation from Una Platform. So your AI agents are not guessing, they're not hallucinating, they have all the knowledge that they need. So this one here comes with a couple of prompts. So there is a new, and then there is an init. So the new essentially creates a Una Platform app with the best practices, and init essentially primes the chat that you're having with whatever AI agent, so Copilot, Codex, Cursor, all name it, any of those AI agents, your chat will be primed to say, here are all the tools that you can use on an existing Una Platform app. Now, once you get in, there are a few extra tools in here exposed by the Una Platform MCP. First up is a doc search. So the agents can search for specific topics, and we return a bunch of relevant information. There is a docs fetch, which lets the agent choose and fetch the exact document about the certain thing that they're looking for. Then there is a agent rules in it and a platform usage in it. This is, again, all meant for priming the agent, so they have the latest information from the docs as you interact and you build up your platform apps. And all of these MCPs are wired up for you automatically. So that's on a per IDE basis. I'll make videos where I walk you through that. But let's talk about all of the other options out here. Next comes here is an Una Platform App MCP. This is something that runs entirely locally on your development environment of choice. And what it does is, we are big into saying your AI now has eyes and hands. And essentially, that's us bringing all the context so the AI agents have deep contextual knowledge of the Una Platform app that you're about to build. So this one here has a whole bunch of tools. So there's a runtime info, so the agent knows exactly what's your app ID, what platforms it's running on, what's your target OS, and so on. You can have the agents take a screenshot. So there's a get screenshot tool. They can click on a certain pointer or a button or whatever it is with an XY coordinate on your app. So there is a key press where it can press on individual keys on your keyboard. There's a type, where the agents can type up long strings of text within the controls. The visual snapshot, this is not just about the UI, it's about the visual tree behind the UI. So you get to have deep knowledge about the XAML visual tree or C# visual tree that's building up your app UI. Then there are some advanced things like default peer action, closing of the app, and then element peer action, data context. So some of those are advanced things, but almost all of these MCPs are included, except for the last two, in your community Una Platform Studio license. So all of these MCP tools are essentially there for your AI agents to be smarter as they're working with Una Platform apps. So that's on the MCP side. Next thing I want to show you is Hot Design Agent. So there are multiple ways in which you can leverage AI with Una Platform apps. You can use the inbuilt AI agents in any IDE of your choice. So GitHub Copilot or Codex or Claude, any of those things will work within your IDE. But if you would rather just start with a blank application and let us bring the agents to you, that works too. And that's the point of Hot Design Agent. And this one can build up entire UI from scratch, or it can let you tweak UI as you're building your app. So this is something you can run on any platform where Uno platform apps run. So essentially, you folks might be used to Hot Design, which is our runtime visual designer. So the app, you start up an Uno platform app and you launch the app. The app doesn't stop running. It's just been put in a suspended state. So now you can do design things on it. So this is the classic Hot Design window that you're used to. It has a toolbox with all the UI. It has the visual element tree. This is the main canvas of your app, and this has the toolbar where you can do different types of light mode and dark mode. You can see how your app looks like on a variety of form factors. But now you have this extra tab called Agent. You switch to that, and this whole agent development mode opens up. And this is where you can iterate on your UI as you are working. And it's, again, any AI agent will take a little bit of time to think about what you're about to do. But the beautiful thing here is, compared to all other AI agents, which will make code changes for you with or without permission, this one asks you, like, are you happy with what I have? So it lets you iterate, and it gives you a history, and you can say, no, I didn't like the last UI that you made. Let's go back to the one before. So it keeps you a history, and only when you say, yes, apply the changes, do the UI gets applied on your running app, and then the code gets changed. With Hot Reload, you're now connected to the IDE as well. So your IDE and your design surface always remain in sync. So Hot Design Agent is kind of your one-stop shop to have all of the AI agentic intelligence on a blank Uno platform app or an existing app that you want to tweak UI. So just a quick look at what we mean by Uno platform now with AI. So bring all of your developer productivity tools, and we have the AI contextual knowledge to help you be more productive as developers. Hope you have fun, and thanks for watching.